Now that you have written your rough draft, it's time for you to write your title page and your references list. In order to make your title page, create a new blank page on top of your rough draft. So your rough draft will actually begin on the second page of your Pages document. You'll have a blank page and you will want to enter down so that you are writing roughly in the center of the page from top to bottom. Then you'll want to come up in your Pages document and hit the center align button, this one here, in order to, sorry that jumped down there, in order to center it in the page like so. Otherwise it will be automatically left aligned and it will look like that. You'll want to hit the center align so it looks instead like that. The first line of your title page will be your title itself, which will probably have something to do with depression or prejudice, racism, anything like that that relates to the argument you are making in your paper. The second line of your title page will be your first name, middle initial if you have one, and your last name. And the last line will be Howard High School of Technology. This title page needs to be double spaced. So if it comes out single spaced like this, what you will do is you'll come up to the paintbrush up in the upper right hand corner of Pages. You will then select Layout. There should be a line spacing option. You'll double tap until it gets to be double spaced like so. So now you have your title page and your 5 paragraphs of your rough draft. At the end of your essay, you need a list of the references, the sources that you quoted from in your body paragraphs. Now, earlier on, we gave you a list of references for you to create your in-text citations. What we need in your references list is these full detailed citations in the left column for each of the sources that you quoted. So what you'll do is you will have to type up those citations exactly as you see them on that page. That means if things are capitalized, they need to be capitalized here. If things are in parentheses on the page, you need to put them in parentheses as well. Any colons, any words that are italicized like this here need to be italicized. Notice that there's this kind of strange indent that goes on with your references list, whereas with a normal paragraph you indent the first line and then everything else goes all the way out to the left margin. With a references list, everything except the first line is indented. You do that by selecting and then dragging this ruler here up at the top of your Pages document. This all also needs to be double spaced. And last but not least, the references have to be listed in alphabetical order by the first thing listed. So this Everett's going to have to come up here. That needs to go over here. Let's see if I can fix this. I just want to grab this smaller bottom portion to drag that over. So let's see if I know my alphabet. Next comes Ferris here. And then Hebert. So it will end up looking like this.